Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Eddie in Tennessee on this Galaxy DX 98 VHP. Eddie, we got it ready to go for you. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 5-watt slug. Eddie, we got it set about 4 watts all the way down, but that is only in case you decide to run an amplifier, you have full adjustability. 100-watt slug, I'm going to roll it all the way up. Right at 40 watts. It's going to sound real clean somewhere between 25 and 40 watts of carrier. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low 100-watt slug is in the corner. We're at a peak, and we're going to go down to the 5x position. We're reading like a 500-watt scale. Middle scale. Low. Low. About 230 peak watts. Alright, Eddie, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.